Welcome. Around the world, two generations face different challenges. Senior citizens possess decades of wisdom and life experience. Young people bring creativity, technology skill, and fresh ideas. What if these two generations worked together? In this video, we explore how experience and innovation can create new opportunities for jobs, income, and social survival in the age of artificial intelligence. We are living longer than ever before. At the same time, technology is changing faster than most people can keep up with. Many seniors feel left behind while many young people struggle to find stable careers. Instead of facing these challenges separately, we can create solutions together. Senior citizens have something that cannot be downloaded from the internet, real world experience. They understand people, business, relationships, and problem solving. Their knowledge represents decades of learning and practical wisdom that younger generations can greatly benefit from. Young people are naturally connected to modern technology. They adapt quickly to new tools, artificial intelligence, social media, and digital platforms. Their creativity and energy can transform traditional knowledge into modern opportunities. When seniors and young people collaborate, something remarkable happens. One side provides knowledge and experience, the other side provides technology and creativity. Together, they can create products, services, educational content, business, and entirely new income streams. A retired teacher, engineer, accountant, nurse, or business owner has valuable knowledge to share. A younger partner can help record videos, edit content, design thumbnails, and use AI tools. Together, they can build educational YouTube channels that help thousands of people. Many seniors possess expertise that business still need. By partnering with younger people who understand AI and digital tools, they can offer consulting services more efficiently and reach clients around the world. Years of experience can be transformed into digital products. A retired professional can provide knowledge while a younger partner uses technology and AI tools to create online courses, ebooks, and educational resources. This partnership offers more than money. Seniors remain active, engaged, and connected. Young people gain mentors and practical wisdom. Communities become stronger when generations work together instead of growing apart. The future of work is not a battle between generations. It is not human versus artificial intelligence. Success will belong to those who combine human wisdom, youthful creativity, and AI powered tools. You don't need a large investment to begin. Find someone with experience. Find someone with digital skills. Choose a topic. Use modern AI tools and start creating together. Small collaborations today can become successful business tomorrow. The world needs both wisdom and innovation. Senior citizens carry priceless experience. Young people bring fresh ideas and technological skills. Together, they can create a future filled with opportunity, purpose, and meaningful work. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more ideas on creating a better future for all generations.